Hey everyone, if you are looking at buying or upgrading your outdoor lighting, you are in the right place. Today, we will be discussing the top 8 considerations when purchasing outdoor lighting. This video is a brief overview of everything outdoor lighting. To learn more about each topic, subscribe to us. Number 1, the level of capability and intelligence of a lighting system. This category really breaks down into 4 major pieces. 1, a simple on-off system, usually controlled with a timer or a light sensor. 2, a white-only system that can be dimmable either from a transformer or a knob at the transformer. 3, a smart system that can be controlled by your phone. This can include smart white systems and smart color systems where you have full control and capability from your phone. And number 4, a full light show capable system. This would be similar to a concert style lighting system. Number 2, controllability of the system. Control is crucial when it comes to selecting the proper outdoor lighting for you. Different systems offer varying access and control. Let's go over the 4 main types. First is cloud-based control. This allows you to control the system from anywhere in the world. Number 2 is control with a remote control. In these cases, typically you have to be within very close range of each fixture to control. 3 is Bluetooth. Bluetooth control, you definitely have to be on property and somewhat close to the systems. There are more in-depth features of Bluetooth that we will get into later videos. Number 4 are Wi-Fi bulbs and fixtures. Typically, these are also cloud-based, but have limited capability when come to range of the communication of each fixture. Number 3, dimmability. Dimmability can be a key aspect in an outdoor lighting system. It can affect the mood of a property. It can also be very functional. Think of a light shining towards a bedroom window. It is preferable that that light is dimmed at a certain time of night, not to affect the occupants inside. Let's go through the 4 different types of dimmable options. Number 1 is a standard bulb that's non-dimmable. This is typically to the old-fashioned light bulb on an old-fashioned switch. It turns on and off and doesn't have any capability to dim. Number 2 is a dimming module. This affects the brightness of the entire system, usually wired to the output of a lighting transformer, and this adjustment will affect the brightness of every bulb or every light on the property. Number 3, a manual adjustment on the fixture itself. This is typically set at installation for the brightness preferred on whatever that light is shining. Number 4 is individual adjustment of brightness of each light. This can be accomplished 2 different ways. 1, with a remote control, or 2, with a smart system with a press of an iPhone or scheduled to happen automatically. If you're talking about lights shining on a second story or something like that, you're typically going to want to choose the higher end systems that can dim these lights automatically, because you're not going to want to do it every night at 11 o'clock. Number 4, white light adjustment. Adjusting the white color can actually make a huge difference in how your property looks. Getting it right is important. In fact, mixing colors on the same structure can be pretty distracting. There are 3 main options when you are considering a white-only system and how to adjust the color of the white. To see more about white color, check out the video in the link. First option in this category are bulbs and lamps. These are basically one and the same, just called different things. Bulbs and lamps are usually purchased per the white light designated for that individual bulb or lamp. If you want to change the color of white light temperature, you would actually need to change the bulb or the lamp to a different bulb to create a different white light color. The second option are manually adjusted systems. These are very, very similar, almost exactly the same, to the systems that you buy in the major retailers today for interior lighting, where you can select the color temperature either from 2700 or 5000 or anywhere in between. Usually you have 3 to 5 options on each light to be able to choose what color white light you want prior to installation. The third and final option, and really most advanced, are the smart lighting systems, where the color of white can be changed via phone or some other device, where the white light is all integrated into the light and can be changed externally. These are the easiest systems to adjust the white light, and in case of some smart systems, can even be changed for time of day and or time of year. Number 5, color versus white light capability. There have been a ton of advancements in the technology of outdoor lighting. What used to be available only for downtowns and skyscrapers are now available to smaller businesses and homes and residences. Adding color to your property can greatly enhance the year-round effectiveness of your lighting. The major point of number 5 is to select a full color system versus a white-only system. Once you choose, there's no going back. Number 6, holiday and sports modes. This is my favorite. This is the reason I created Haven Lighting. Imagine not having to put up Christmas lights anymore, or imagine your light turning your favorite team's colors when the game starts. That's what a high-end smart lighting system has the capability to do. As you're choosing your outdoor lighting system, you want to take all the factors into consideration, and this is a major one. Do you want to celebrate 4th of July with your house or your backyard turning red, white, and blue? Do you want to celebrate your team in the Super Bowl? All of these things are fully capable and now available to really every home on the market. Number 7, support, particularly if you have chosen a smart lighting system. The level of support is critical as you're going through the process of setting up a smart lighting system. With cloud-based systems, you typically get the highest level of support because the manufacturer is actually able to see exactly what's going on with your lighting system and walk with you along the way. Number 8, an updatable system. If you have selected a smart outdoor system, one of the major considerations you should look at is the ability of that system to be updated remotely. When you look at this option, you need to take into account the manufacturer behind the product. You need to consider how much R&D are they doing? How often do they come out with new features? Do I get those new features when they come out? So number 8 not only involves the product selection, but it also takes a look at the company standing behind the product and how much investing they are doing. And do you get a system that keeps getting better over time or one that stays the same the day you bought it? We hope this helps as you are selecting an outdoor lighting system. Check us out at havenlighting.com and subscribe to learn more.